Minasan, konnichiwa. Today I'm going to teach you the Japanese word for cherry blossom. Sakura. Sakura. Sa-ku-ra. Many people first heard this name when Cardcaptor Sakura first came out in America, and later on again when Naruto came out in America. I believe the date was 2005, correct me if I'm wrong, when Naruto first got out in America. Many people knew Sakura as either the Cardcaptor with short brown hair and really good friends, or as the somewhat whiny girl with pink hair that attended a ninja school with the boys she was very obsessive with but just didn't seem to go for whatever reason. Sakura, in the Naruto series, comes off as really annoying and petty and really goody-goody debutante style, but she's not like that on the inside. Sakura from the Cardcaptor series is a real sweetheart and has zero trouble making friends. She does, however, acquire a rival later on in the series, who's jealous of Sakura's abilities. Be that as it may, no matter where you know it from just Japan itself, from Cardcaptors or from Naruto, Sakura is a commonly used name and a common festival celebrated in Japan. Alright, mata ne. Hope you enjoyed your lesson.